I want to show you something else that I've done that I think is pretty good. I don't know whether you can see me because I haven't put you in the machine. It's a pretty good way of using up old Stanley knife blades like this one, but also to scrape wood, but to get you round corners, because sometimes when you're using a cabinet scraper, let's pick up the one that works. When you're using a cabinet scraper, you come up here like this, and what you don't want to do is you don't want to go across that grain there, you want to go up that grain, you want to stop here. So let me just set you up and I'll show you how I scrape. Can you see? Yeah, that's right. And you're back. So if you've sanded across here and you've scratched some of this up, if you get a Stanley blade and used as a cabinet scraper, can you see? Go up to the mitre like that, and then change direction, go like that, and as you're going down here, turn it round to meet that mitre there, and then I can come down this one like this to meet the mitre there, and then twist around and then go like that. That way you're not, so I'm doing it because I can see a little bit there that just needs to be got rid of. So look how good an old Stanley blade is. We tend to use these Stanley blades and throw them away, but actually that's usually the pointy end that gets blunt, and this area here in this middle is usually inside the knife, so this doesn't get any wear. So actually it makes a great, obviously you've got to be careful, it makes a great scraper, really good for fine details.